Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm done up and made up, and it's just a little simple look I threw together. Anyways, I wanted to try out a new company. They're not new, but they're new to me. Called Louise. They're located in the UK. I kept hearing Nikki tutorials talk about them, so I really wanted to check them out. So this is my try on. So these are the products I tried. This one is their eyeshadow base. So basically you put this on to prep your eyelids before doing an eyeshadow look. This is like the staple of their company and what made me hear about them in the first place. So this is this guy. And then the palette that I used was P. Louise as well. And they only sell one palette, and this is it. And the packaging is sickening. It's everything. And so anyways, please check out this video if you're interested in seeing how the products perform, what I thought of them, just the overall review. And yeah, let's get into the video. I'm so excited to get into this box, guys. I have heard about this brand several times, over and over and over and over and over and over. Oh, that's cool. Apparently, if you buy some from the UK, they poke little holes that says UK. The more you know. Well, anyway, so I don't know if you guys watch Nikki tutorials, but she is the person that I always would hear. Oh, look at this. I've never had one like this. It is like tubes of air instead of like the regular little poppers. That's like solid. Nothing is gonna break. If this is broken, I'll be shocked. But anyway, back to my story. Oh, it even like opens like. Okay, cute. Anyway, she always would talk about P. Louise, right? And she's from the UK, so I'm like, all right, she's probably just boosting up a brand from over there. Well, anyway, I was watching more videos of her. I want to say last week or the week before, and I saw she did a video like where she did her mom's makeup, and I saw P. Louise now had a palette. I don't know how long they've had the palette, but in my mind now they have a palette because I just found out about it. So anyways, I was like, all right, look at that, like it stays solid. Anyway, cool. All right, so I was like, it's time, Gina. Just order the damn P. Louise and try it. So this is the stuff she always swears about, and so I've always been curious. It is an eyeshadow primer, concealer for your eyeshadow, whatever you want to say, or for your eyelids. But she'd always talk about it and swear it was the best one out there, that she had tried everything. And again, it was in the UK, so I was like, shipping, do I really want to do it? And so I never did it. So now I'm doing a damn P. Louise video because they have a palette. And if anybody has watched my channel, y'all know I'm a sucker for palettes and lashes and glitter. Yeah, those three. Okay, so anyways, cute packaging. Doesn't really matter to you guys what the packaging looks like, I don't think. It just says P. Louise Makeup Academy. I saw you checking out my package. Oh, I like them already. So cute. All right, sealed and checked by P. Louise. And it says, I'm yours. So that's cute. So this is going to be the infamous P. Louise. What do they call it? P. Louise Base is what they call it. And the shade I got, because they were actually sold out of so many shades, so obviously they're popping. But I got 0.5. If you got 0 was like white. So 0.5 is just a half a step from white, which is fine. I like to brighten my eyelids anyway. And a lot of people do use white primer for their eyelids, if you don't know that, to make their makeup look brighter. But that's what it looks like. It says creating the ultimate blank canvas. I'm excited. But guys, this palette. Okay, look at the packaging. Do y'all see the freaking little feathers in there? It says Born a Saint. The Secret Sinner. That's the name of this palette. It says, I'd rather laugh with the sinners than cry with the saints. What about you? P. Louise. This, I mean, the presentation, I mean, come on, guys. All right, let me open it. I'm so excited. This is beautiful. That looks like a jewelry box, right? This is a palette, guys. A palette in here. This presentation is mwah. And they only have one palette, which is crazy, right? This company does not have a lot, but yet they're so talked up. And that's what intrigued the hell out of me. I'm like, I gotta get into this. Oh my, guys. I need the whole moment, guys. Every palette I buy is a moment. And I don't ever want them to get scratched up, dinged up. I want them to look impeccable. But that's it. I just opened it and lost my shit. So you open it and this is the mirror. So sorry, I'm gonna try not to blind you guys. But you see, excuse me, the mirror says P. Louise. And then this is the palette. This is the palette. Guys, the pans are like nice and big and beautiful. And I'm living for this. Let me tell you the shade names in case y'all care. Addicted, infatuation, affair, bow down, rendezvous, amour, hooked, pleasure, dreamy, velvet kiss, S&M, fling, in lust, love shy, climax, idolized, obsession, and love struck. And it is so pretty. Can we talk packaging, guys? Like, this is sick. This is sickening. Like, just the fact that this whole thing is the palette. Like, guys, where have I been? I've been sleeping on this brand. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and I'll be back for the eye moment. I just had to show y'all the unboxing and my initial thoughts, because I didn't see all this in her video. All I saw, I didn't even see this. All I saw was a palette. They look like this. So I don't know if she had a different version of it or what, but this is everything. So let me go do my makeup real quick and we'll come back and do our eyes on camera. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I am ready. Do I look a lot different? A little bit? How about those eyebrows, girl? I went a little overboard, but I'm still feeling them. All right, so P. Louise. Let's put this base on and see what happens. So I'm gonna start, since I've never used this, and just try with my finger at first. She bright. Yeah, it is super light, which I like. I actually have some white primers for my eyelids, so I think it helps your eyeshadow pop a lot more. So it is very, I would say it's tacky, like people want. See that brightening? I like 0.5. That was a good color choice. But yeah, it's tacky, it's sticking. It's definitely brightening, but the test is going to be with eyeshadow for sure. I'm pretty impressed. Just like a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. It's very inexpensive. I think, don't quote me because it was in Great British pounds, but I want to say it was like $7 or $8 for this tube, and this thing will last. Like, I'm barely even having to get any out, and it's actually a great product. The issue I have a lot whenever I put a primer or base on my eyelids is it starts to crease, and then I have to keep trying to smooth it out. And that's even with the most popular stuff that's out there, guys. So the only thing I wish that was in this palette, but it's not a big deal because I have many palettes that have it, is like a lighter shade. These are all mattes. None of them are shimmers. None of them are glitters. This is mainly, I guess, meant to get your look together. And then you can touch up with another palette if you're somebody like me that wants glitter or the shimmer and the brow bone. But I've gotten to where I put highlight here anyway, so it's kind of not a big deal. Let me dust my lids with the lightest color I can find. Amore, is that it? Oh, well, so much for the lightest shade I could find. It's very pink, so she pigmented. I really want to do orange, I think. I'm gonna go for it. What the hell, right? What the hell? So the first color I'm gonna go in with is called Dreamy. It's a pretty color. I am not getting fallout, by the way. And it's kicking up in the pan, but not like, not annoyingly like some brands do. It's actually pretty good. I'm surprised they only have one palette. I guess they just know like what they put out is going to be bomb, and they just stick with those products and know that they'll make money off of them. But I had no idea they had a palette. Let me deepen up this orange in the crease with this shade Bow Down. So the first one was Dreamy, and then I'm going to go in with Bow Down deeper in the crease just to deepen up the color. That's a pretty color. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so it's blending very well. The eyeshadow and the base together are like a charm. Dream come true. I do think I'm probably going to switch to this stuff because it has not creased at all. And I'm telling you, I've tried like Shape Tape, Jeffree Star, all different stuff. MAC Painterly Pot. And I've tried them all like as bases or eyeshadow primer. And I like some more than others, but in the long run, they all crease. This one has not creased at all. Because you're able to like thin it out to a thin layer. And the thin layer still is thick enough that it coats the whole eyelid. It takes away discoloration, and it's tacky, and you don't have to use a lot. So, and like I said, the price was good. That is pretty. So that is Dreamy, and then Bow Down. And Dreamy is a true orange. Bow Down is like orange with a shift to like red or pink. It's really pretty. I kind of want to, let's just have fun. Who knows what the hell the look's gonna be, but I want to try out these shadows. So I'm gonna go in with Addicted, which is this purple shade. So yummy. And I'm gonna just go in the outer corner and in with it, and we're just gonna have fun and do a colorful look today. Why not? I also want to swatch these for you so you know. This was Dreamy. This is Bow Down. And this is Addicted, which is the one I'm using right now. Just so you can get an idea of the colors I'm putting together. And see how they come out. Maybe I'll do that every time I do a look. I'll just swatch them on my wrist so we can see kind of how to judge a palette. Because a lot of people go off of how they swatch on your skin. And that's not always the case how it's going to perform. I've had stuff swatch on my skin that sucked on my eyes and vice versa. So now we can test it both ways. The purple is a hit. I don't know if my look that I'm going to do is going to be a hit, but the purple's a hit. Guys, only this can happen to me. So, Y'all saw that I swatched this on my wrist. Well, apparently doing this, yeah, literally ended up with the swatch on my boob. So cute. Think I should wear it in public? Hey, big boy. I know I'm good, guys. Forgive me. For she knows not what she does. I want to try to cut the crease with this Louise. I want to see if that's possible. Okay, guys, so I just cut the crease. What do we think? I think it did pretty good. All right, I'm going to do the other side. Okay, now I'm going to try yellow just to see how their yellow performs. Okay, so I cut the crease. I know this is looking crazy, but let it all come together. Trust the process, guys. Trust it. But anyways, so I put yellow like where I cut the crease. Okay, guys, so now I've got that pink laid down. This is where I want to do glitter. And then I'll do the other eye. I know you guys are probably like looking at this look like, why the hell is she doing the most right now? Well, the reason is, how else are you going to test a brand to see if you really like it or can play with it or do looks with it if you don't like put it to the full test? So I'm putting it to the full test because I want to see what's the tea. I can do a natural look anytime. Let's have fun when you get new makeup. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I put lashes on and did some glitter in the crease over that yellow. I think it came out really cute. My final thoughts is Louise is it. I like it. So I will link them in the description box below. I don't make anything off of it. I'm just going to put their company's website to make it easy for you in case you want to browse around, see what they have, and see what you think. But I think everything performed beautifully. I'm happy with it. I love the colors, the pigment, the very little fallout, if any, and the packaging. Let's just talk about that packaging with the feathers. It was amazing, guys. And so anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please tell me in the comments below what you thought of the packaging, the product, the palette, the whole nine. What did you think? How did you think the look came out? I know it's a little much, but I always say trust the process. Once you throw the lashes on, I think it brings a look together. These are Ruby May lashes, and they're everything. But you guys know I love lashes. So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.